I've just got a basic question on when I write a definition. I mean, a small paragraph explaining something, for example, what is a reflex? But I first want to read about it from a few different sources. So maybe I read about it from Harvard Medical Journal. I read the definition of it. I read some other medical articles, and then I get the general idea of it. And I go, okay, I get it. And so then I go ahead and write it in my own words. And I'm influenced by these, say, three different sources of information. Once I've written my own sentence that's influenced, like by these three information, um, it's now a brand new sentence written in my words. So who do I reference? Sometimes I might even read 4 or 5 articles before my mind really gets a good idea of it. And I might even write a couple of, maybe 3 sentences sort of going into, well, a reflex is an automatic response or reaction, da 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 da. And then, because I finally wrote it myself, in a way, influenced by these sources, but written in my own words, you know, yeah, somewhere in there, I might accidentally reference a quote someone used the words of some other article out there. It might not even be one that I read. It might be like Cambridge Medical wrote about reflexes, and I just luckily, or unluckily rather, said the same sentence that they said. And so when I hand it in, it's possible it could be, be thought as being plagiarism, but it was just a coincidence that I ended up writing the same thing someone else. So I believe you can hand it in to some program called Turnitin. So would that be a good way to write an assignment? Read different sources, get an idea of it, then write it yourself. So you're using your own words, so you're paraphrasing, and then submit it to Turnitin. And whatever sentences pop up as coming from someone else, if they're too similar, change it a little bit and reference them. Would that be a good way to do it? And if so, how can I access this Turnitin? Because it looks like to log in, I need a couple of numbers, like a class number and a course number or something. And do I access that through UniSA website, or do I access Turnitin just directly myself? If you help me with that, that'd be great. Thank you.